Oh my God, it scared me. See me jump? Oh, whoa, almost dropped my phone. Okay, you guys are really beautiful, but I gotta go get walking. Whoa. God, all the birds are going crazy right now. Flying, fighting. You got Crash crying in the background. Look at this one coming up. Look at him. Ooh, he's mean. He's a mean one. You better be nice. Look at him walking. Mr. Tough Guy. There's Crash by me crying. Where's Crash? There he is. Crash? Crash, what's going on? You see the babies? Okay, well, we're off for our walk. Oh, hello. Hello. See all the different types of birds out here today? There's a lot of them. There's my best buddy right there. His name's Wilt, aka Daffy. Wilt? Hi, Wilt. Hi. You sure are pretty. Why are you running? Alright, this time I'm leaving now. Say bye, Crash. Crash, say bye. Let's go. You want to go? Okay, let's go.